Here we have the PB46-CAL, which is the A3, A4 and A5 calendar punch. So it's got the wire holes as shown here, 3:1 pitch with the thumb cut incorporated. So this will do A5, A4 and then A3 as shown. And that is achieved by different select pins here, which you can just literally turn and it deselects the holes so you don't get half holes at the end of your documents. And then of course you adjust the side lay accordingly. So on this one we're doing the A3 long edge. Simply pulling the handle down creates the punch. Then you have your document ready to bind using 2 wires. Feed each of the wires in. And then you've got your hanger here. So this is a 76mm hanger.